Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can fix your WhatsApp voice message problem. Have you been having problems sending voice notes to anyone on WhatsApp Messenger? So I'm going to fix this problem. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. And number one step is for you to come to your Google Play Store here and type WhatsApp here. Just type it here. You can see my WhatsApp is up to date. You can see now it's up to date. So if your WhatsApp Messenger is not up to date, you can quickly update it here. You can update it to up to date. So let's come to our phone settings. So this is the WhatsApp that you can see now. This is the WhatsApp that want to fix the voice notes for. I'm going to just come to your settings here, phone settings. You can see phone settings. You can see this is my phone settings. Scroll down to app, scroll down to apps. You can see now, then locate where WhatsApp is. Just locate it, WhatsApp. Okay, just scroll down a little bit. Okay, this is it. I click on that. Then the second method is for you to click on storage. You can see storage and clear data. You can see, click on clear data. You can see not clear cache. Click on clear data, delete. You can see the data has been clear. Then I'm just going to, you can see now, then you are just going to come to permission. You can see permission. Then you are just going to allow all this. You can see allow all this. Make sure that everything not allowed, no permission allowed. Then you are going to allow all of this. You can see allow. Then after you have allowed all the permission here, after you have allowed everything, you can see nothing left. Then come to your WhatsApp, and I'm just going to come to your WhatsApp Messenger here. I'm just going to test it. You can see, come to WhatsApp, create and continue. You can see now this my, we have cleared the data, and I want to send a voice note. I'm just going to do that. Okay, I'm just going to use this number. Our message has been sent. So by this you can fix the problem that you are having with your WhatsApp voice message. I'm going to see you in my next video.